Now we are going to study about the solar and lunar eclipse. Solar and lunar eclipse. So solar is something related to sun and lunar is something related to moon. So basic things, solar and lunar eclipse. So let's start with the solar eclipse. So what is solar eclipse? So if you see, we know that we have a natural satellite and the satellite is called as moon. So this natural satellite, it is revolving around the earth. So this is the orbit of moon and it is revolving around the earth. And similarly, earth is revolving around the sun. So these are the basic concepts. We have already studied about that. So this is the orbit of earth. Earth is revolving around the sun and moon is revolving around the earth. Now, when moon is coming in between the sun and earth, this time solar eclipse will happen. Solar eclipse, okay. Why? Because at this time the sun rays which are coming from sun, they are stopped by moon and it will create a umbra and penumbra in this area, okay, in this area of earth. And if you are in this area of earth, you will find the scene like this. You can see this type of scenery from earth. So here is the moon and it is blocking the sun rays which are coming from sun, and here are we standing on the earth. So this is called as solar eclipse. Okay, now as you go away from this umbra and penumbra region, you will not be able to see this solar eclipse. Okay, it totally depends on where are you standing on the earth. As you go away, as you move away from this umbra and penumbra region, you will not be able to see this kind of solar eclipse. Now let's see what is the lunar eclipse. So lunar eclipse is the eclipse when moon is changing its position. Earlier moon was here, now it has gone here. So when earth is between sun and moon, this time it is called as lunar eclipse. Lunar eclipse, okay. So here is the moon and earth is between sun and moon, and this is the orbit of moon. Moon has also kept revolving and it has changed its position, it has come here now, and this is the orbit of earth. Earth is also revolving around the sun. So remember, moon is revolving around the earth and earth is revolving around the sun. So when this lunar eclipse happen, it will look something like this. Okay, the moon will be of a red color. It is also called as a red moon. So moon will look like a red colored. Okay, it will be of a red color. So why it will be of red color? You can see that the sun rays which has been blocked by the earth, they will get scattered in the sky, in the atmosphere, in the earth atmosphere, and the rays, the small rays which are falling on the moon, they will make moon look like the red colored, red moon. Okay, and that is the reason it will be looking like a red moon. So this is the basic of a solar and lunar eclipse. So now we have studied, this is the solar eclipse and here you will find this is the lunar eclipse. So does this happen every time? Okay, no, it does not happen every time. You may think that whenever sun and whenever this position is there, whenever a moon is between the earth and sun, there will be solar eclipse, and whenever moon is like earth is between the moon and sun, there will be lunar eclipse. No, it is not the same case. It is not that easy, and there is a complication behind this. क्योंकि अब ये मून का जो ऑर्बिट है, it is slightly tilted. Okay, it is slightly tilted. I will show you how it is tilted. So it is something like this. So here you can see this is the orbit of earth. Here the orbit of earth is in the same plane with the sun. Okay, it is in the same plane with sun. The orbit is in the orbit of earth, it is in the same plane of sun, but the orbit of moon it is slightly tilted. So ये moon जो है ये earth के ऐसे 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 रिवॉल्व नहीं करता है, ओके इसे सीधे नहीं करता है, ये टेढ़ा जाता है भाई साहब. इट इज थोड़ा ऊपर जाता है, देन अगेन फिर से नीचे आता है, अगेन ऊपर जाता है, अगेन नीचे आता है. ओके, it comes down, then again goes up, then again goes down, then again goes up, then again goes down. So this type of orbit it is having, and this is called as a tilted orbit. Okay, so the tilted orbit of moon. So moon is having this tilted orbit. So what difference does this make on the solar eclipse and lunar eclipse? So now you will see, when now here you see this moon is now this time also moon is between sun and earth, but this time the solar eclipse will not happen. Why? Because it has not blocked the sun rays, and the sun rays are directly coming to earth this time. Okay, it has not blocked the sun rays, so this time it will be called as new moon or Amavasya. In Hindi we call it Amavas ki raat. Okay, Amavasya. So this time you will not be able to see the moon actually when it is between the earth and sun. Why? Because now it is not in the same plane. Why? Because the orbit of moon is tilted, and here you will not find the solar eclipse happening. You will only find the new moon, that is Amavasya ki raat, क्योंकि ये sun rays block ही नहीं कर रहा है. Okay. Now again, if we see in this direction, okay, here also it is not blocking the sun rays which are falling on earth, because the sun rays are directly reaching the earth. It is directly reaching the earth. So that is why solar eclipse will also not happen on this direction also, and neither the lunar eclipse. Why? Because the rays earth is also not stopping all the sun rays which are falling on the moon. So this time here you will find the full moon, and we call the full moon as Purnima. Okay, this time. Okay, so this time you will not find, here you will not find the red colored moon. Okay, here you will not find the red colored moon, here you will find simply the full moon. Okay, this type of full moon, where when moon is here, this time you will only find the simple full moon, no red colored moon. Why? Because the axes are tilted. But now when in this, अब यहाँ पर जब आएगा, यहाँ पर जब है, at this time both of like three of them will be in the same plane. Earth as well as moon as well as sun, three of them are in the same plane, and in this time the solar eclipse will also happen. And here also you can see three of them are in the same plane. Okay, because this is the tilted axis, but when moon will come here in this position, sun as well as moon as well as earth, three of them will be in the same position, and at this time solar as well as lunar eclipse will happen. So to happen the solar and lunar eclipse to happen, three of them, sun plus earth plus moon, should be in the same plane. Remember this. Okay, sun plus earth plus moon, the three of them should be in the same plane. ये tilted axis की वजह से हर बार नहीं होता है. It happens only once in a while. Okay. So this is the reason every time we don't see the solar and lunar eclipse. So normally we will find this new moon and this full moon, but whenever the sun and moon and earth, three of them are in the same plane, we will find the solar eclipse as well as lunar eclipse. So this is all about the solar as well as lunar eclipse. In our next lesson we are going to study about the evolution of earth. Okay, So till then, stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.